It's Tuesday 4th February, and the markets closed entirely in the green, except for FMCG, which ended in the red. Strong performances across sectors signaled positive investor sentiment. Let's take a closer look at today's market highlights. The Nifty surged 378 points to close at 23,739, while the Sensex jumped 1,397 points, ending at 78,583. Advancing stocks outnumbered decliners, with 2,516 gains against 1,406 losses. Sectorally, PSU Bank, Private Bank, and Oil and Gas led with 2% gains, while FMCG remained the sole laggard. Shriram Finance, L&T, Bharat Electronics, IndusInd Bank, and Adani Ports emerged as the top gainers on the Nifty, reflecting strong investor interest. On the flip side, Trent, Britannia Industries, Hero MotoCorp, Nestle India, and Eicher Motors were among the notable losers. The Indian rupee ended higher at 87.0675 against the US dollar in a volatile session, recovering from its previous record low of 87.1850. Gains in regional currencies supported the recovery, though concerns over escalating US-China trade tensions kept markets cautious. China's swift response to a new 10% tariff from the US fueled worries. Godrej Properties Q3 FY25 profit jumped 161% YoY to 162.64 crore rupees, with sales at 5,446 crore rupees despite a 4.8% dip. Revenue rose 193% to 968.88 crore rupees. Chairperson Pirojsha Godrej noted record-breaking performance and strong real estate momentum. MobiKwik reported a 55 crore rupees loss in Q3 FY25, swinging from a 5.2 crore rupees profit in the same period last year. Revenue rose 18% to 269 crore rupees, while EBITDA losses widened to 48 crore rupees. Total expenses surged to 317 crore rupees, reflecting operational cost pressures. The broader markets showcased impressive strength today. The Nifty Mid-Cap 100 surged 1.56%, while the Small-Cap 100 advanced 1.09%. This broad-based rally reflects growing investor confidence and signals robust market participation across diverse sectors. Gold prices steadied on Tuesday after Monday's record rally, with spot gold up 0.07% at $2,816 per ounce. Investor caution persisted as China imposed retaliatory tariffs on US imports, fueling trade war concerns. Global bullion banks moved gold to the US. Asian Paints Q3 net profit fell 23% YoY to 1,128 crore rupees, with revenue down 6% to 8,549 crore rupees. Shares rose 4% to 2,378 rupees as sequential profit jumped 63%. CEO Amit Singhal remains cautiously optimistic. Adani Ports reported a record 39.9 MMT cargo volume in January 2025, up 13% YoY. Container volumes rose 32%, and liquid cargo grew 18%. The stock rose 2% despite Q3 FY25 net profit at 2,520 crore rupees. NLC India shares jumped 12% to 236 rupees and 80 paise on strong Q3 results. Revenue rose 39% YoY to 4,411 crore rupees, net profit surged 167% to 668 crore rupees, and a 1.5 rupees dividend was declared. And that wraps up for today. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for the latest market insights.